We have a whole family of little yellow ones. There's another one on the other side, and another one had just flown off. See, look at that. Aren't they cute? They're so pretty. Look how yellow they are. Look at that. A family of little yellow birds. That's so pretty. Aren't they yellow, huh? Alright, another one just joined them on the other side. Okay, so this family has 4 yellow birds. Wow. Look at the beauty of that. Ooh, I think some other kind of birds are flying in and seeing all that yellow, and they're just getting away. Thinking they're seeing too much here. That's really nice. Family of yellow birds. This is all the kids. If you watch my other videos of the yellow birds and stuff, it's like we had the great big adults. I mean, they were big. Almost as big as a dove. Well, these are the smaller ones. Ah, the other side has one of the other birds. Aren't they pretty? We sometimes get the green ones too. But right now we have yellow, so we're videoing yellow birds. The cat jumped up. And that was the end of the yellow birds. All right, bye-bye.